Welcome to our tutorial on how to open older messages in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to help you access your older emails in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Under the Settings gear icon, located usually in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface, you'll find the option Toggle Split Pane Mode. Click on it to enable Split Pane Mode. Step 3. Once Split Pane Mode is enabled, you'll notice a right arrow icon on the left side of your screen. Click on this arrow to access your older messages. By following these quick steps, you can easily open your older messages in Gmail on your PC, allowing you to review and respond to important emails from the past. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy a seamless Gmail experience with easy access to your older messages.